there's a bass right there. A little bass following my bait. You guys can't see it, but he actually came up and hit the bait. It's kind of cool. He's little, probably about like that, but that was cool. Oh, there's one. That's a decent one. Get in here. Nice, 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 nice. Ooh, all right. I don't usually flip this dock because I usually fish it for crappie. Yeah, it was in there good, but it's a decent little bass. Thank you. There's a fish. Okay. Maybe I need to flip this dock more often. Another one about the same size. Not bad. There's a fish. Oh, what the heck was that? You see? Fish had it. One thing that I kind of picked up from fishing and learned from watching videos and doing those kind of things that I've never really thought about, and it was put in perspective for me, it was great, is when you have bright sunny days, normally in the past you've seen me right up against the reeds, fishing, flipping in them, whatever. But I never really took it into consideration or thought about it, but what is one of the best ways to scare fish when it's super sunny besides seeing your boat? Which I don't have to worry about too much with kayaks, as the kayak doesn't seem to bother bass as much as a boat does. But the thing I never thought about, and what I'm talking about, is shadow. Your shadow casts quite a ways into the water, so if you're not a certain distance from that and the fish see your shadow, they know that something's different, something's there. So it automatically puts the fish on alert. Now, it may not spook every fish, but I promise you, when they see a figure, you know, your shadow, it's gonna scare some fish. So, you know, keep those things in mind when you're doing this. And, you know, I've never even dawned on me that was, you know, a thing. So just keep that in mind when you're fishing, you know, especially sunny days. You know, try to keep some distance away from where you're gonna be casting or throwing. You know, sometimes you can't help it, and sometimes it doesn't affect the fish, but I'll bet you more times than not that it does. It's a fish. Oh, he got off. That was a good one. That's a fish. And I lost him. That hook angle, I'm telling you. Oh, what was that? Huh. That's interesting. Wonder if that was a gar. Had to be. Well, I threw the bass. The bass went that way. There's one. Restored my faith. It's like I know there's got to be one around this beaver dam. A bad one, little, but we'll take it. We'll see you right back to where you came from. Oh yeah. Oh no! We'll call that a catch and release. I don't. There we go. That's a good fish. Got him. Woo! Swamp donkey. Okay. Look at that. That is why you don't ever give up. Never give up. It's probably about a 2-pounder. Nice bass. Okay, well, guess he wanted to go home with me. Let's try that again. All right, we'll see you later, dude. There we go. Another good bass. All right, not bad. Okay. Wow. Wow. I would just turn on the camera to show you guys. Ouch. I'll show you guys the little turtle that was on that. Instead, I caught a bass, and I've never, ever caught a bass right here. I mean, ever. Okay. Not a bad one either. Long and skinny. Not bad. You got my finger there, killer. See you later. I was gonna show you that turtle came back. It's hard to see, but he's on the end of that noodle right there.